Greetings, my fellow subscribers, viewers, audience, watchers, seers, new joiners, old joiners. As always, thank you very much. I am grateful to the universe, to the cosmos, to divine spirits, to the elements, as they speak of. And time to time, when I get a chance, I get an opportunity, I will upload a new content based on Right Tools for Right Job by Noor Ali, your host. As always, thank you very much for taking the time, for watching, for viewing, for commenting. I don't have that many subscribers. That's okay. That's fine. Fine and dandy. I'm just having fun. Let's just say it. I am practicing. I am getting my skills better at presentation, at communication, at writing, at editing. One may say that too. And bringing things out in the open arena of the information technology, information systems, cloud computing, AI, robotics, engineering per se, electronics, communications, networking. Whatever the craft and the trade it is, I'll be touching that with emphasize focused on Right Tools for Right Job by Noor Ali. So here we go. So the idea is simple. We're going to recap, right? Recapture, we're going to think about, we're going to talk about is if you're in any field of engineering or any craft or trade, if you went to tech school, right? There are high-tech tools, there are low-tech tools, there are handheld tools, there are meter-based tools, there are analog-based tools. There are OS operating system-based tools built in. If you use Linux, if you use Windows, if you use Apple OS, there are built-in tools, right? And there are database tools which are built in. If you buy an OEM product, you're going to get that as well, okay? Let's move on. And then there are utility software-based tools, there are diagnostic-based tools, there are instruction-based tools, there are platform-based tools, there are cloud-based tools, there are automation-based tools. True screenshot gives you a sequel, and the other screenshot left and right, as we talk about. Let's move forward. If it really does not matter, it really does not matter if it is AI or robotics related technology. What it means, it really does not matter. It is AI or robotics related technologies or any other ITIs based technologies, even drone based technologies. Everything we do, everything requires you to have tools on hands, either in your field, depot, you are in bench technician, analyst, engineers. You will need to have tools. Okay, it's simple and it's basics. All right. What is the prime objective in life for anyone in the world? Survival, right? Survival, right? Survival. So, what is the prime objective? Is survival. Either you are a non-technical field or career, or in a technical field or career. Trade and craft goes hand in hand. Trade and craft. No matter what craft you perform, do, you gotta have tools. Aids, we call it, right? No matter what trade you're in, I will explain you as we go further down in this episode or chapter or content, however you want to say it. Are you used and applied every day? Are used. Are you used means are you using and applying what you have learned in trade school every day to pay your bills on time. That's why we become auto mechanic technician. airplane technician. Uh, we became ship building or boat technician uh, into the docks where we work, right? I don't think anybody in this entire world will have any argument or disagreement. One must embrace the truth till each of us die and leave this planet behind. This is an old Bollywood Hindi movie, one of my favorites, I might say that. Roti, kapda, or makan. Roti means food, kapda means clothing, makan means shelter. Are we not struggling, fighting day in and day out for those things? Okay, those are the basic simplicity needed, required to survive and to live in this global economy, in this global world. You will be able to take your tools with you in your grave. You gotta leave it all behind. Embrace it now before it's too late. It's just a spiritual statement I make here, right? Even though we work hard, we bust our behind to collect our tools to do the jobs, right? In US especially, any IT job you do as a laptop technician, printer technician, or any field, companies, they're not going to give you tools. You got to buy your own tools, man. You got to buy your own tools. And that's how it's been done, and that's how it is. So keep in mind, always keep in mind, right? Okay, let's move on. To lose patience is to lose the battle. Memorize, know it, understand it. This one will speak your mind, okay? Will speak your mind. Don't lose it. Don't lose patience. You know, these are the teachings of Mahatma Gandhi. And what is a tool, right? Tool is any instrument or simple piece of equipment that you hold in your hands and use to do particular kind of work. For example, spades, hammers, knives are all tools. Find the best tools for a purpose is a pair of shears, is an example, implement, device, application, apparatus, and so on, and so on, and so on. Okay? Here are some tools right here, right? These are tools, okay? These are the tools for the plumbers in their craft and trade use to fix, to repair, and to earn money to pay their bills. Okay. Here are the tools for electrician that you see. All right. To the left and to the right. Electricians is you become a master electrician in USA. You have to have a license and a permit, and a license, professional license that you have to pass, and you have to know all the code. Okay. So these are the tools for master electrician or junior electrician or journeyman, however you want to say it. Okay, these tools are used for havoc. Those sharp, intelligent, hardworking people who come and fix our air condition, boilers, chillers, and so on. You know, they install it, they break fix it, and they remove it, they add it, they do all kinds of stuff with the air conditioning units. Okay. All right, tools for automotive locksmith and residential and commercial locksmith. You see the guy on your right-hand side making a key for your car, programming a key for your car. And then you see on the left-hand side all the new gadgets, digital electronic based programming new advanced keys for the car, known as key fobs. All right, so these tools are recommended and used for electronic technician and depot. So you see this one right here. This one is for soldering, DVM, soldering iron. Then again, this is a whole unit for a magnifying mirror, soldering iron unit. It really deep down work. Okay, this is for a bench technician, standard stuff right here. Okay, this is for new laptops right here. And these are the kits that you keep in your kit. If you're a field engineer, right? Field engineer usually keeps this. He may keep these pliers. He may not do this for emergency purpose. He may keep a DVM, right? I have similar tools. I have them. Sure do. All right. So now we move to every branch of engineering has its own tool set, right? So this is basic electrical engineering tool set, right? You see these fluke meters right here. Every data center, if you work in networking, data communication, and fiber technician, you're gonna have a similar tools, right? And then of course this is advanced. You see all this right here. A long time ago I used to have that on a bench, right? A scope, a DVM, AC DC generator, and all kinds of testers, right? All you when you go to a trade school, you're gonna learn all that, right? You're gonna learn all that. So then here you have another tool right there. All these are tools, every one of them, okay? All right, so here we have a mechanical engineer. It's given what kind of tools they use, and this is a mechanical engineer also, right? So it's out there, right? Right tools for right job. Always remember this and never forget, right tools for right job. If you don't use right tools, you will not be able to do your right job. And correct, everything depends on your tools these days, right? So what is my tool these days? I have a selfie stick, I have my cell phone, I have a laptop. And the most important, most powerful tool that I use nowadays is communication. Presentation, show and tell. Keep that in mind. Okay, more to come on this subject matter, to be continued. Share, learn, teach, grow. Share, learn, teach, grow. Share, learn, teach, grow. If you like, you subscribe, please. If you like, you subscribe, please. I'm just having fun. I gotta have fun, right? They say out there, the wiser people, the older people, educated people, intelligent people, they say, persistence of what you do, you will find success. Don't give up. Be patient. Okay, that's the aim and that's the goal over here till I upload my next content. I want to thank all my viewers, all my audience, all my subscribers, all my watchers who watch, newcomers, old comers, new joiners, old joiners. As always, I'm grateful to the universe, the cosmos, the elements, divine spirit, and I'm grateful to all my subscribers. Thank you very much and a great day. See you next time. Bye.